Hey you guys, it's Claudia Beleza, the fashionista, and I'm coming at you with this bra that I've had for a while. I didn't take good care of it, but it did, give me what I needed, which was support. So thank you to my dear bra. And now I'm going to deconstruct it because I just want to learn a little bit about how to make a bra. I'm thinking about making one for myself. So here I am taking off the hook and eye. I'm going to be doing a video on the hook and eye, so it's going to be linked up top, so please check it out. And this cute little bow here. This cute little bow, I think I'm going to keep and do something with it too. Now here we are at the straps. I'm going to disconnect those from the band, which is attached by a overlock stitch. This is the top of the band, like in the front, where when you're facing the mirror, you can see the front part or the top part of that strap. And it looks like they've done 2 stitches here. So I'm undoing the second stitch, the final stitch, which they cover the raw edges with. And there I have exposed is the the first stitch that they did. I'm gonna take that off. Now this strap right here is awesome. I'm gonna keep it. Now I'm going to take off one of the stitches that they have attaching the the casing that contains the underwire to like the band and the cup of the bra. So I'm just taking off that, I guess that would be called a top stitch. Now it's removed. I'm going to get this last stitch up top that kind of finished the end off. It was pretty tough. It looks like they did some kind of overlock stitching right there. Maybe. I am so amazed at all the construction of this bra. And right here, I'm just seam ripping the cup. Or no, I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm seam ripping the underwire casing from the cup. I have great respect for people who can just create things like this. It's just so intricate. And you can see right here the wire. I'm taking it out of the underwire casing. And yeah, that's what provides that extra oomph when you wear this bra, or when I used to wear this bra. And it looks like there's that white underwire casing, and it was wrapped around with fabric that was plush and matched the same color as the bra. Yeah, that's you can find that on a big old bulky roll, I do believe. And now here I am trying to seam rip the elastic from the bra band. And that was attached with the overlock, some kind of overlock stitch. I just can only imagine how many, I don't want to say hours, because I'm pretty sure there's a team of people that makes this bra, but I know that many hands have touched this bra and making it and constructing it. So here I'm just measuring the seam allowance. It's like a 1/4 inch of seam allowance. or actually a half an inch probably. I'm not really sure that was, but you can rewind the tape to see that what it is. But it's definitely no more than half of an inch. But so I finally removed that. And that's like the side portion of the bra, like that goes under your armpit. And now I'm going to separate the cup from the band. And the band, by the way, is made out of power mesh. It's pretty strong and durable. And once I completely separated the cup from the band, I noticed that the bra band is actually 3 pieces. I guess you can say that the one little piece in the middle, you can see it when I just rip this one little last stitch, you can see there's this little kind of like a keystone piece there. And I think it just kind of holds like the bra close to the body so that you can get that maximum support. But there you see it. It's like right between the breast or between the cups. And now I'm just going to go ahead and separate the lace from the cup. And so I'm just ripping off the serged edge, which finished and also attached the lace. And when I did that, I discovered this material underneath the serge or overlock seam. But there was one more stitch I had to take off to get that lace completely detached from the cup. There's a lot of stitching that went into this bra. I'm amazed. But here's this fabric right here. It's non-stretchy. I don't know, what is it? It's some kind of interfacing. It's very durable. There goes the lace. Yeah, that was really delicate piece of fabric. And I thought I could separate the fabric from the foam, but obviously that was glued on. So that was detached and deconstructed as much as it can be. And now I'm going to remove the elastic that runs on the bottom of the band. And that was attached with an overlock machine. I'm pretty sure you can also find this stitch on most home sewing machines too. So when I got to a certain part of that, detaching the elastic from there, the band, I noticed that there was some more of that interfacing, and I do believe it runs along underneath the cup to prevent stretching. I need to count how many different materials that were used in this thing, or this bra. It's just amazing. I just can't say that enough. No wonder bras cost so much, because the different materials and the different people that have to use or construct it. It's only fair. It's only fair and reasonable that the bra is going to cost like $50 or more. And if it's $100, I don't think that's being overpriced. It's a good bra. So right here, I'm just showing you that Keystone bra piece that I was talking about. That's along the band. So it's like the bra band is in 3 pieces. And so here's that seam. I've come upon it as I'm like taking this elastic off. So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and take that apart, attach, detach the bra band from one of the ends from the keystone. I'm gonna call it the keystone because I know that sits on the breastbone and provides support and make sure that bra fits like it needs to, so it can do its job. So I know there's another overlay to that power mash. It's a little lace that runs on the bottom. I decided not to detach that because my goodness, this was a lot of work to take apart. But that is another component to this bra. Phew. Okay, I am done in deconstructing this beautiful bra by Chantelle. So there are 16 different materials that was used to make this bra, and overall, I think there's like 21 different pieces that this bra comprises of. I have to say this belongs in a museum because this is a masterpiece, a work of art, and I say to those who designed and manufactured this bra, hats off to you. I salute you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't be afraid to share, and don't forget to look at those other videos. So take care and stay fashionably beautiful.